Oh,
Oh my god!
I don't know exactly Lucina. Oh,
Oh,
S.
oh, that's raw.
Oh, that is very raw.
And you say that, but he also played Lucina round 1, so against someone else's main.
I mean,
I don't know.
he might
I
just
don't know.
like playing Lucina on Wi-Fi. I mean, each to their own.
She is a
innit?
very.
Oh, that
yeah.
bit of lag. Oh dear.
Oh, that's raw.
That is very.
That was a
very raw.
clean 0 to dev.
And Trilby trying to make it come back with the string, but not quite getting the end. Oh, the down there. Oh my god.
Well, Lido has 4 stocks. Well, actually no. Lido has 3 stocks, and Trilby only
has
oh,
2. But that
2.
the side.
Now both of them have
Oh
2
my
stocks.
lord.
So Lido is such a good player. Every time I see Lido, he's destroyed. He beat Notlord yesterday at Catcrack.
Yeah, I was gonna
And
say.
here he is about to get free stocked by Trilby's
Like,
Falcon.
Because when it just
You know what I
hits-
also respect? I respect him for going for Raptor boost into knee, because that isn't true. It's only true. Oh wow.
The
Oh, that was a good
trade. That is
incredible trade from
that is a
for Trilby.
great trade. Oh, very interesting. And, oh! And the up B, the armor, it's just so gross. Just seeing the armor of the crown and the belly.
Oh,
oh!
that and whoa, wow.
Oh! And the up smash, not quite getting it. Oh, the egg to forward there.
Oh,
Put Nutlord in a very awkward situation. But, oh wow. So finding good hits, but not quite getting the kill, and the
Oh,
RB.
wow.
Oh!
oh, what the? I couldn't.
He's been brought back!
Okay.
What is this game?
We should find out more. And that's it.
That's it.
He's playing short. That's pretty self-centered.
Oh, there we
Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, and he's going to.
go.
Oh. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. All right. Oh,
Good
never mind.
move.
That did fucking 50%.
Oh, the move.
Oh.
Oh! I think it would actually. Strong.
Oh no. Oh no. Jump.
Oh no.
Oh no.
He has got
Wait.
it. He has got jump.
Okay.
Oh no!
Oh.
50% of one knee. I would feel bad about that.
Yeah.
Oh, good effect,
He
good effect.
took before he took too much damage. That would
Smash
have
up.
been a really powerful combo if he was able to stay in Buster.
See, it does need. See, it kills, doesn't
Oh.
it? In there.
Yeah. Yeah. Something is even again, but oh, the damage. Oh, that damage.
That damage. Jesus.
Oh. Oh,
He
okay.
died!
What the fuck? Probably could have got it a bit sooner, but okay. I got very concerned.
Oh, been killing!
He took a game off of
okay, it was.
DTK. Yeah.
Oh, the...
Oh,
Oh!
and now we got the Buster.
Oh,
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh, back it up.
He's
Oh,
out.
it's
He's out of here.
disgusting.
For the punish, makes sense. And the...
Oh,
That downer.
that's
Oh,
fucking not okay.
that is...
Oh, he's gonna go for the edge guard. This is hard to get on. No, never mind. Falling. I'm from Monado
And the
Arts.
bomb.
Oh,
Oh, no!
I thought he was gonna have a smash. I got so scared. Oh, that's not okay.
Bear smash. Oh,
He was
my
behind
God.
him.
Also,
Yeah, no.
Also,
Samus is at the top.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my god.
Samus is dash out between games.
I mean, if they did it to both, I wouldn't be surprised.
A shadow update.
Oh, the
Oh!
barely
Oh.
not killing. That is,
Oh, that's sad.
that's... And it still didn't kill. What? But that killed. Okay, that's fair enough. But I mean, still. An auto
Where
dash.
he does a.
What is it? It's like he goes into an auto and then
Oh!
the up air. Oh.
What? That was not an alright percent. Oh!
That killed.
Right.
What the?
That.
Oh. Oh, the shield break. No. Oh, the slap. Bomb slide.
I've got a biscuit in my mouth. What the fuck? I'll just let him know. real
Oh
quick.
no, the air dodge. Oh no.
Oh. Okay. But Robbie can bring us back.
Oh,
Fuck me.
oh, that killed at 60%.
Second.
Oh
That
my
picked him up from
god.
behind. Look. Oh.
Oh!
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 You only lost the top 8 players. I mean, I guess that's true. Oh my god, that was such a nice catch. That was such a nice catch.
That was... Just hit them, don't get hit. No, that's what you have to do.
Oh
Sit
no,
there.
oh no.
Oh! No, 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 no! Oh!
Downstairs. I got some mixed berry. Oh,
Wait, what happened
That-
there? I genuinely don't get. I feel like I'm fighting a different game when I play.
oh my god! If he wasn't a
Oh.
stock down, that'd be mad.